Hi, and welcome to Faith into Greatness. Today I wanted to talk about contracts. Contracts run our world. Think about all the contracts that you've signed in your life. Contracts at the hospital, contracts at fun zones, contracts at ski resorts, all kinds of contracts that you sign waiving your right and agreeing to your obligations and the promises that you made under contract terms. So many people ask me if they have to pay on their contract and if they're responsible pursuant to the contract terms. Yes, you are always responsible to pay on your contract unless, of course, there is a basis where you don't have to pay on your contract. And this isn't that kind of video. So if you want to know all the bases where the court can actually rescind the contract, which means that they change the contract terms, they can void the contract, which act like the contract never even existed, and things like that, do a little independent research, and of course, educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Now, the court will always give deference to the parties and their contractual terms. What does that mean, deference? It means respect. The court's going to want to respect the parties' terms at the time that they were negotiating that contract because the court wasn't there. And so if there were terms that were supposed to be in the contract, the court's just going to assume that if the parties intended to have those terms in the contract, that they would be present. I had a situation where I lost my job and I had to pay. My car got repossessed and I had to pay the deficiency amount. BMW took my car and supposedly they auctioned it off. And supposedly from the auction they received a flat fee of $8,500. They claimed that I owed approximately $17,000. I had paid over $22,000 on this car note. Well, I went and I asked BMW, I said, show me the proof that this is the amount I owed. And nobody would provide me any documents. So what did I do? I sued them. I had to sue BMW to find out how much money I had to pay. Can you believe it? Anyway, I ended up negotiating with the attorney for less money because they couldn't prove to me that I owed the amount that I owed, which was bizarre. Anyway, why did I pay on an obligation like that? Well, first and foremost, if you don't pay your contract terms, then God is not going to bless you with the money that you want and for your dreams to come true. Every time you get money, if you don't pay your debts, you're going to find that that money leaves you so quick. As fast as it comes in is as fast as it leaves. So do your duty, okay? Good karma for everybody. I hope this message blesses everyone. Don't skip out on your contractual obligations. Take care and God bless.